What's going on, everyone? Today we're having a quick look at the Hewlett-Packard HP Pavilion 6621. It says it's not just a PC, it's a HP. That's interesting. Now, we have a look up there. It's got a sticker up there. Looks like it's from David Jones. And we turn it around. It says Intel inside. The box there is a bit damaged, but anyway. Okay, so let's just open it up. Now, unfortunately, I can't get the camera any higher than this, but anyway, here we go. Oh, it's got some paperwork there to show you how to connect the computer. How funny is that? That's pretty cool. Look at that. How to connect it up to the internet and all the rest of it. Alright, we'll put that aside. Oh, what have we got in here? Little tube. What's in it? Oh, it's empty. There's nothing in that. Alright, so we got this one here, a little box. What's in the box, I wonder? It says on there, it says manufacture date 7/4/2000, so 24 years ago. That was a while ago. Let's have a look. We got the mouse and the cable. And we'll put that aside. And we've got some software here as well. Looks like Hewlett-Packard system disk. I will open that actually. Let's have a look in here. So in there we've got recovery CD. In here there is Big Pond internet. I wonder if my certificate will still work 24 years later. And we got a registration card, user's guide. I'm getting started with Windows 98. Quick start guide. And in there is media ring talk and some other things in there. I don't know what that is. And some booklets and information. So we'll put all that back in the bag. In the next box, I think there should be a keyboard in here, but let's just have a look. Yes, it's a brand new keyboard. Smells like plastic. Hewlett-Packard. Yep. And we'll put that aside. We're going to get the computer out. So I've just taken it out of the box. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Never been used, brand new. It's a 6621 HP Pavilion. It's got Windows 98 and it's got an Intel CELERON chip inside. Let's turn it around and have a look. Okay, turn it around. There you go. Now I'm going to open this up and have a look and see what's inside it. Okay, so I just took the cover off it. Just have a quick look. As you can see inside, it's absolutely spotless. There's no dust in there whatsoever. The hard drive in there is a a PARTA hard drive and IDE. Let's have a look. And it's 15.3 gigabytes, the hard drive. And it's a the Seagate. And I'm not going to take the RAM out. I'm just going to leave that RAM in there. Dial-up modem there, and a 3.1 or 3 1/4 floppy, and an ATX 100 watt power supply. Okay, so we just plugged it in, and we got the speakers connected and the keyboard. I'm using my Diamond View CTR monitor, and let's just push the button and see what happens. Sounds pretty good. Let's see what happens. Hewlett Packard. Okay. It says check time and settings. Okay, we're going to push F1 to get into the BIOS, and we're going to change the date from. We'll just change it to what have we got? WIN24, I think. Okay, that'll do. We don't need to do the months or anything. Let's just escape. We'll save changes, yes. Operating system not found. Well, I was wrong. I thought the Windows 98 was pre-installed. Obviously not. You have to install it yourself, looks like. Well, anyway, guys, I'm not putting Windows 98 on this at the moment. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching my video. Please give me a subscribe. I'll see you all later.